Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log out LinkedIn from all device. Simply at first open your LinkedIn. Press on to profile. As you can see, showing it to settings. This method will work on Android and iPhone device. Press on sign in and security. Press on where you want sign in. 2-3 device in sign in. Okay. Just press on enter LinkedIn password. And now successfully remove this. Now check in. To remove all device, just only select on session.